Every time we have an innovative idea, tech doesn't come and say, why are you doing this? They say, how can we help?
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm so delighted that you are here for this very special celebration and announcement of an exceptional contribution from Teck.
Teck is delighted to be able to support Lionsgate Hospital with a donation of $750,000 towards the campaign for the Paul Myers Tower. $500,000 is going to be spent on installing antimicrobial copper surfaces in high-touch, high-traffic areas to help fight bacteria.
We like to see ourselves as leaders in patient safety and improving care. And here we have a technology, and if we can harness that to make the patient environment safer, right, then it leads to better outcomes.
We are supporting safer, healthier communities. We're improving health outcomes, all the while continuing to build awareness of copper's antimicrobial superpowers. And that is critically important because there are still so many public spaces in BC and beyond that can be made safer with copper.